Let's start here. Second floor of Park Makini West. Paglabas ng elevator, you're welcomed by this beautiful lounge. High ceiling, elegant interior, di ka lang dumaan dito. You arrive here. Now, moving forward. This is the game room. Perfect to for residents who want a place to relax or spend time with friends without leaving the building. Dito ka lang sa loob, pero hindi ka maboboard. It's designed for leisure, casual bonding, or just escaping the city outside. And just a few steps away, we have this function room. This is where moments happen. Birthdays, small celebrations, meetings with family. So imagine, you don't even need to go out anymore. Your private events, just downstairs from your unit. Now, let's step outside. Wide open roads, quiet surrounding, and immediate access to everything you need. You're a minute away from BGC, Makati, Forbes Park. Everything feels connected. And this, the unit, is smart home ready with a built-in smart lock. So no keys, no hassle. Just access and go. Everything feels more